Welcome to Marine Detail Supply Company, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, Captain Ken here with Starke Yacht Care, and today we're going to take you through on how to properly run Level R. You can see right here we have a Robalo. It's a light blue. It's got some light oxidation on it. And anytime you go after oxidation, you want to use a heavy cut compound because it's always better to go a little deeper because oxidation will breed more oxidation. Essentially what that means is if you don't remove it all, it's just going to simply come back, and you don't want to do that, right? What we're going to do is use a Rotary on a white wool pad. This is going to be your heavy cutting machine, and Level R is going to be the secret sauce to removing that oxidation. Now this is a fresh pad, so with a fresh pad generally, you know, we're going to prime it, right? So I like to do some circles like that, and I like to prime the pad using my Rupes claw here, just to give me a little bit to spread it. Awesome tool. I don't even use a spur anymore. Take Level R, and the way we like to coach it is we like to apply it with lines on the boat. If you see how the bottle cap is, it makes it super simple that way. If you had a fresh pad, you wouldn't have to prime it just like this. But in this case, since it was a new pad, we do. So first off, here's the secret. You want to run it slow. The biggest mistake people make is running it way too fast. Here's a DeWalt Rotary. This is my Rotary of preference. And one reason why I like it so much is the speed adjustment actually shows the RPMs on the trigger. So I like to start it off at 600 RPMs, and I'm going to spread it around. Then I'm going to start my side to side, up, down, side to side, and while I'm working it, and each pass, I'm going to move up a little bit on the RPMs, finishing out about 1200 and making sure my pad stays nice and flat. So now I really want those diminishing abrasives to start to work. So I'm going to really kick it up to roughly about 1,000. Now I'm going to kick it up to about 1,200 and make sure she stays nice and flat on this last pass. Now let's wipe it off and let's check the results. All right, now you can definitely see the difference that Level R did to remove that oxidation. The only thing that you would have to do next from here is really to polish out those swirls, because a rotary machine with a heavy cut with a white wool, you don't want to stop there if you really want a great finish. That's going to leave holograms into the surface, but as you can tell right here, there's a huge difference between where Level R was ran to where it hasn't been.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.